Welcome all to today's computer science class. Today we are going to study about the different hardware components of a computer system. We know a computer comprises of two major components, hardware and software. Both these are essential for the working of a computer system. Without a software, a hardware cannot work, and a software cannot work without a hardware. Hardware refers to the physical components of a computer system. You can touch and feel the computer hardware. Computer hardware can be categorized into two, internal hardware and external hardware. Internal hardware. The hardware components which are fixed inside the CPU cabinet are termed as internal hardware. Motherboard, CPU, ROM, RAM, disk drives, SMPS, heatsink, cooling fan, modem, sound card, video card, input-output ports, etc. are some internal hardware. Let us discuss these in detail. Motherboard. The motherboard is a printed circuit board and foundation of a computer that is the biggest board in a computer. It allocates power and allows communication to and between the CPU, RAM and all other computer hardware components. It's called a motherboard because it is the main circuit board in the computer and it can be extended by plugging other circuit boards into it. These extensions are called daughter boards. It contains all the necessary electronic devices and circuits, data and communication buses, connecting wires that help transfer data, interfaces, the system of plugs, sockets, wires and electronic signals that help to connect hardware devices to each other, and the power supply. All the other hardware components, both internal and external, are attached to the motherboard directly or indirectly. Central Processing Unit (CPU). It is the main hardware component of the computer and it is the most important part of the computer. It is called brain of the computer. It is mounted in a slot on the motherboard. The CPU controls all the other parts of the computer. It has three main components: Arithmetic Logic Unit (ALU), Control Unit (CU), Memory Unit (MU). Arithmetic Logic Unit (ALU) performs all arithmetic and logical calculations. Arithmetic calculation means mathematical calculations. Logical calculations means comparisons, whether a number is greater than another number or equal to other number or less than other number, etc. Control Unit (CU) controls all the internal components of CPU to make it work and it controls the flow of data. Memory Unit stores the data, instructions and information. Random Access Memory (RAM). It is a temporary storage unit of the computer which is used to hold the data and instructions. RAM units are inserted into the memory slots on the motherboard. RAM is a volatile memory, which means RAM loses its contents when we switch off the computer or when the power goes off. Data is retained in RAM as long as the computer is on. RAM is the memory available for operating system, programs and processors to use when computer is running. We know that the main storage device of computer is hard disk. Operating system and other programs are stored in hard disk. When we switch on the computer, operating system will be loaded from hard disk to RAM. Similarly, when we execute programs, those programs also will be taken to RAM. In this way, RAM keeps on changing contents, so it is also called temporary memory. Then there is a question, why does CPU use the RAM during an operation. Since we have all the data and instructions stored in hard disk, why does CPU use the RAM during an operation? Just because RAM is faster than hard drive. Read-only memory, ROM. It is a non-volatile memory, means it does not lose its contents even when the power is turned off. It holds data permanently, so it is called a permanent memory. The contents are stored in a ROM by the manufacturer of the computer at the time of its production. We can only read information stored on ROM and cannot write anything in it. So, it is called read-only memory. However, there are special ROM in which we can erase the data and write new data by using ultraviolet rays and electric signals. ROM contains the pre-written information for booting up the computer. That means the programs needed to start a computer. Next one, disk drives. We have many devices to store data and information. In order to store and retrieve information from these devices, a special hardware component is needed, which is called disk drive. There are two different types of disk drive. One is hard disk drive HDD and optical disk drive ODD. Hard disk drive is used to store and retrieve information from hard disk, and this HDD is usually placed inside the CPU. But there are external hard disk also. Optical disk drive ODD is used to store and retrieve information from CD and DVD. We can see a small button near the optical disk drive on the CPU. When we press this button, a tray comes out. We can place CD or DVD in the tray. When we press the button once again, the tray goes in and we will be able to store or retrieve information from the respective disk.